So if you are watching this video, you very likely have purchased a wireless Hendo trailer kit from a retailer near you. And today we're going to show you how to pair the lights to the transmitter. Now, you have likely purchased one of two kits. We have a kit with an RV only transmitter plug, as well as a kit with two transmitters, which include an RV plug and a 7-pin round transmitter. The 7-pin round transmitter is obviously used for North American tractors, Class 8 truck and trailer applications, whereas the RV plug is what we would typically utilize for any North American pickup truck or any vehicle with a 6-blade receiver. So we're just going to show you exactly what comes in your kit so that you're familiar. The kit we have today comes with two transmitters, as well as two lights, one left, one right. We have an L for left, an R for right. We also have two transmitters, the RV and the 7-pin round. And these are radio frequency based transmitters, not Bluetooth, for optimal transmission distance. And lastly, a charge cable with a cigar plug 12-volt charger where you can charge the lights at the same time in your vehicle. So for the pickup truck application that we're going to do today, we're going to be pairing it to the RV plug, which is the 6-blade plug that all pickup trucks in North America utilize. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is make sure the truck is on. So right now the truck is fully powered, and make sure that if your lights are in an automatic setting, put them to running. Now, once we've put our running lights on, just to give ourselves a point of reference when pairing the lights, I always put my hazard lights on. Now we'll test the lights themselves. So take your RV transmitter, place in the truck receiver, and push in tightly. So to pair the first light, take any light from the box and press the power button immediately, and then immediately hit the transmitter. And you'll see that we're completely connected. Running lights are on, hazards are pairing to the light itself. Now sometimes, depending on the year of the truck, it helps to reset the running lights on the truck in order to have a proper pair to the second light. So what I'll do is simply go back to automatic and put my running lights back on, and then simply repeat the process. Hit the power button and immediately hit the transmitter. So it's very important, if you're having any issues pairing the lights, that you ensure you're following this exact step. Hit the power button first and then the transmitter button immediately. If you're having any issues pairing the second light, simply go back to your truck, go from auto lights to running lights, and then repeat the process. Power button and immediately hit the transmitter. That way the radio frequency between the light and the transmitter itself are going to be communicating with each other perfectly. And there it is. That's how you set up your wireless Hendo trailer kit light to the RV plug or any other transmitter in the case. Make sure to visit hendo.com if you need any specific transmitters for different applications, whether that be a 4-flat, additional 7-pin round adapters, or any other adapter that you may need in the field.